The sister of Kapamilya actress Kim Chiu was asked to share her thoughts on actor Paolo Avellino. Kim is known to be very close to her ate Lakambini. The actress has been receiving support from her older sister and the whole family in every endeavor she does. Her new project, her first movie with Paolo, My Love Will Make You Disappear, also received overwhelming support not just from loved ones but also the fans of their on-screen partnership. In the movie, Kim Pao surprised many of their fans with their intimate scene. Previously, Kim Chi's close friend, actress Angelica Panganiban, had an amusing reaction to the kissing scenes. Based on the article in Filipino Star Nodyan, Kim's sister Lokam was asked about the Kim Pao chemistry. Okay lang. Syempre, hindi tayo magugulat kasi may mga milestones naman ang career ng isang artista. So, it's about time na rin for mature roles. And hindi na yung princess na patwitams na pakate-cute, Ate Lokam shared. Then, she was asked if she is boto to Paolo for her sister Kim. Syempre oo naman, Lakambini said. As an older sister, she said that she does not want to be overly protective. She also stressed that she and Kim have different lives, and she is willing to support the happiness of her younger sister. And I know she's happy, so happy na rin kami, Lokam said, adding that there is no need for Kim Chiu to say that she is happy because it is obvious. Lokam pointed out that happiness can be seen in Kim's eyes, and that the actress is inspired. She added that with Kim's age now, they are not intervening with her love life. For Lokam, it is the right time for Kim to have more intimate scenes because fans did not get enough of her and Paolo in their last project together, the series What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.